How to draw Aphid the Great. Welcome back everyone. Today I am thrilled to introduce you to a brand new character in our upcoming book story. Our amazing character's name is Aphid the Great, the ruler of the Aphid realm, known for his sharp, business-minded intellect. Initially, I would like to show you how I illustrated him, and finally, I will briefly explain our new character. Please stay with me throughout the video. Would you like to know more about our new character? Let's go! In a magical world, Aphid the Great is approached by Pony, a kind and thoughtful character seeking protection for the aphids from predators and steady food supply. In exchange, the aphids offer honeydew to the ants, which is vital for their colony. After considering Pony's proposal, Aphid the Great agrees, leading to a mutually beneficial agreement that keeps the aphids safe and the ants well-fed. This partnership becomes a symbol of how kindness and cooperation can lead to happiness and prosperity for all. Honey and aphids remain close friends, always ready to help each other. Aphid the Great has a question for you. Please leave your comments below. What's the most exciting win-win deal you've ever made? Share your story. If you like my videos, please subscribe, share, and give them a thumbs up. Your support helps me create more content for you. To learn about our other characters, be sure to check out our earlier videos.